What the heck is this mess? It's basically because we just moved into our new apartment. We just threw everything together. Haven't had the time to organize, but let's get started. So I've been meaning to get this Anker one for a while, and you'll see some of them are for example, the MagSafe charging. Some of it is, you know, you can charge your AirPods with the Apple Watch charger. And then this is for the Apple Watch, my wife's AirPods, old iPhones. So let's just disassemble everything and start with the basics of what we need. This one is connected to the light umbrellas, so I'm just going to move this down. Fuck you. Alright, please give me a like on this video for the effort. Literally just got whacked by the light stand. Oh my god, this is a mess. Okay. Start with the bare necessities, and it's basically one cube. Okay. Now, let's start with what we got. We got our handy dandy Anker charging cube. Let's start from there. Charge into the back. That's the Anker charging cube. Charging that. AirPods are going behind. Hear the ding. Okay, great. Also, I recommend everyone, if you're doing this, start with your watch first, just because the watch doesn't actually fit in when the iPhone's there. So start with the Apple Watch first. Apple Watch is charging. Okay. So now, this has basically rendered the $20 MagSafe charging puck obsolete. So the $20 MagSafe charging puck, no more. Okay, next thing to go. What is this? Lightning? Okay, we're gonna keep that for my girlfriend, because she still has the iPhone 11. Yes, we are looking to upgrade, so you guys can shut your mouth. I don't think we're gonna need this anymore. Okay. This is another. We don't need that either. Okay, next. Okay, so this is a case that she got on Amazon. I wonder if it will charge, so let's check that. That charges too. You heard the ding? That's amazing. So, but we're gonna put that on. Okay. So we're good there. This is for my laptop. So we're just gonna leave that. Okay. This is there. Next. What else we got here? By the way, I did not know that. This is cool. I did not know that 2 Apple Watches go together like that. That's very interesting. Okay. But I no longer need Apple Watch chargers. Only need one of them for my girlfriend's Apple Watch, but I no longer need them. Oh my goodness. So most likely we're going to get 2 of these Ankers chargers. The annoying thing about the Apple Watch is that it does not stay up. Look at that. It's down. I wonder if it will be magnetized to any of this. It is not. It's slightly magnetic to that. So maybe my girlfriend can charge her Apple Watch on that. Because if you just leave it on the desk, I'm going to take that. Now my girlfriend can charge her Apple Watch better. Okay. This is for the iPhone. So she can charge her iPhone. So she can plug in her iPhone. Okay, great. This is to charge Android things. Okay, such as the batteries for this camera. And we only ever need to charge one Android thing, so that's it. No, this one's too short, it's broken. Alright, and that's one Android. That's really it. This setup's done. Wow. So we got rid of. So for 3 devices, instead of having 3 cords, it's now down to 1 cord. Maybe in the future we'll just place it somewhere and it just does it all by itself. That would be awesome. So there you go. Much less cluttered, freer space. I wonder why the Apple Watch doesn't charge it on here. Because it does it on here. See, it charges there. Okay, there we go. No, that's the whole point. No, wait. There we go. There we go. Charging 4 devices right now. That's good. Now I'm gonna add my laptop to the fray. We got the big laptop charger charging as well. There you go. Laptop's charging. That's not bad. Way less cluttered. If you have similar situations in your house and you're thinking about decluttering your cords with the Anker 3-in-1 MagSafe Charging Cube, let me know in the comments below. Heck, frickin' tag me in your Instagram photos. I'm at Everyday Apple Living on Instagram and on TikTok. So show me what you got. Show me what your before and after pictures look like. Thanks again for watching Everyday Apple Living, your guide to living with Apple every day. At the time of uploading this video, we're at 1,100 subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when new videos are released. Help me get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of December 31st, 2023. Until next time,